Okay, be honest. How many times have you made New Year resolutions only to give up before January ends? Sounds familiar, right? What if I told you there is one simple trick that can help you achieve your goals? This trick is known as vision board. And today I'm going to tell you how to make one and how to use it as a roadmap to your success in 2025. And stay with me till the end for a surprising tip that most people overlook. Ever wonder why some people seem to get it all so effortlessly? Better grades, dream careers, good colleges, while others seem to be struggling? What is their secret? It's called the power of visualization. It is deeply rooted in our ancient Indian culture. And stick around, I'll share with you the science as to why it works. First things first, what do you really want in 2025? Better marks, winning a sports tournament, cracking a tough exam, or maybe traveling abroad. I want you to close your eyes and imagine that successful moment and then write it all down. Think big. Did you know that Shah Rukh Khan once dreamed, visualized of becoming the biggest star in Bollywood? And who doesn't know him now? जब दुनिया में किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश करती है, right? And he made it all true. Visualization is not something new. Even our grandparents used the pictures of goddess Lakshmi for wealth and Ganesha for success. So we are just trying to put it on a board now instead of on the walls. Now it's time to get messy. Grab magazines and color markers and glue and a cardboard for your base, and you can put a chart over it and cut out quotes that inspire you, cut out pictures that match your dreams and put it all on your board. It's very important that you are able to visualize clearly what is it that you want to be and where is it that you want to be. But if you are a Pinterest lover or you want to do it on Canva, make it on Canva. Make a virtual vision board. All that matters is that you have it in front of you to see and aspire for every day for the rest of the year. Divide your board into sections so that it does not get mixed up. Career, academics, finances, travel, and fun goals, and have pictures under each section. Big dreams need big plans. Do you know that famous actor Jim Carrey once wrote himself a check of $10 million and kept it at a convenient location and visualized it every day? And finally, for Dumb and Dumber, he was paid exactly that amount. Cool, right? But wait, what happens if things don't go as planned? Well, life is full of ifs and buts. In that case, it's important that you change or modify your vision board. Life is not a straight path. It is full of twists and turns, and so is your vision board. And now for the big reveal. Always leave some blank space on your vision board. You know, life is so full of surprises that sometimes you may get something bigger than what you imagined or asked for or visualized for. You know, God is great. Call it fate, destiny, or God's gifts. Sometimes life brings you much more than what you imagined. So leave space on your vision board, leave space in your life for accepting those gifts. So here is the action plan. Dream big. Design your vision board and keep it somewhere where you will see it every day and visualize what is it that you want to achieve by the end of the year. Remember, your vision board isn't just pretty pictures. It's your roadmap to success. With focus and faith, 2025 can be your year. If you are ready to make your vision board, hit subscribe and like for more success tips. Share your biggest 2025 goals in the comments. I would love to cheer you on. Let's make 2025 the biggest year possible. Thank you.